Today we are going to discuss how to add a node after a given node in doubly linked list. See the diagram. Here A is a head node, D is tail node. In between B and C, I am going to add node E. That is, I am going to add a node E after node B. Look at the code. Void insert after of, I am giving two parameters here, that is previous node and new data. Why I am giving previous node means I have to find the previous node and then only I can add new node after it. For that only I am passing here as parameter. Then check if previous node is equal to null or not. Why I am checking means, for example, I am saying you to go and stand behind that student B. Then what will you do? First, you will check whether that student B, where he is standing. If you found out where he stands, then you can go and stand behind him. If there is no such person means, what will you do? You come and inform me that there is no one is like that, ma'am. Like that. Right. Similarly, you have to check if previous node is equal to null or not. If it is null, you have to print a message saying previous node cannot be null. Then allocate new node and add data into it. That's normal procedure, you know. Then new node next equal to previous next. Here new node is E. Who is the previous node? B is the previous node of E. Okay. B's next field is pointing C. Okay, B's next field is pointing C. So, new nodes next equal to previous next means what will happen? E's next is what B's next is pointing to. So, B's next is C. Okay, that is what B is pointing to. Okay, so a link is established from E and C. Okay, then go to the code and see the next line, that is previous next is equal to new node. Previous next is equal to new node. Here B is previous. Okay, B is previous, B is next to C. So you are cutting that link and joining it with the new node E. Now a link is established from B to new node E. Then go to the code and see the next line. New nodes previous is equal to previous node. New nodes previous is equal to previous node. This is doubly linked list. Okay. Doubly linked list means two links will be established between the nodes. So two links has to be there. So a link is established from B to E. Now a link should be established from what? E to B. Okay. For that only you are writing new nodes previous is equal to previous node. Means E's previous is B. E's previous is B. Okay. Then check if, go to the code, then check if new nodes next is null or not. If not null, link the nodes of E and C. Okay, if it is not null, link the nodes of E and C. Now, E's next is pointing to C. You have to connect C's previous is new node. You have to connect C's previous is new node. So, how will you say that or how will you mention the node is C in the memory? There is no name in it. Okay, so use pointer and name it. Okay. Use the pointer variable name. Okay, E's next is pointing to C. E's next is already pointing to C, so use that. Okay, C's previous is E. C's previous is E. So write new node arrow next is C. New node arrow next is C and C's previous is new node. So by writing this, you have successfully inserted a node after a given node in doubly linked list. So hope you all understand. Take care. Bye bye.